Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my video.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog. It's cooking time again with Joyce Alvior. So for today, I will share to you my version of sweet and spicy seafood. And ang aking seafood for today, ang nabili ko ay hipon. Fresh pa po yung hipon. And then, of course, squid. Meron tayong squid. And yung nabili kong squid, malambot siya, hindi siya yung squid na parang chewy something. And then, meron din tayong dito ilang pirasong baho. So, for your seafoods, pwede din po kayong magdagdag ng crabs. Magdagdag din po kayo ng salmon or tuna fish. Okay? That will add to your seafood recipe. And then, additional ingredients ko ay maglalagay tayo ng lemon. Optional lang naman tong lemon. Or, kung wala kayong lemon, you can put calamansi. And then, of course, the garlic and onion. And then, meron din tayong siling haba. Chop. And then, since sweet and spicy, meron tayong sugar. And then, the chili flakes. Meron din tayong tomato sauce, cornstarch, pampalapot, and then meron tayong oyster sauce and cheese. Lalagyan ko siya ng cheese para cheesy ang ating sweet and spicy seafood. And then, the other ingredients that we can put is, of course, the salt and pepper to taste, and then water and oil, or what do you call the margarine or butter. Okay, so again, this video is best for beginners who wish to try to cook a quick and easy sweet and spicy seafood. Okay, so let's start cooking, guys. Let's put oil. And then after putting oil, let's put the garlic. And then let's put na rin the onion. So, paulan na siya, guys. Dito lang ako sa may taas namin. So, rinig na rinig ang ulan. Sa bubong. So, lutuin natin ang sibuyas at bawang hanggang maging golden brown. Okay, let's put the siling haba. So, kung gusto nyo ng mas maanghang pa, mas damihan nyo yung sili. And then, tanggalin nyo yung buto para hindi ganong maanghang at, diba, minsan, mahirap din makakain ng mga puti. Kaya ako tinatanggal ko yung buto ng sili sa kamatis. And then let's put the tomato sauce. The oyster sauce. Sugar. Kung gusto nyo nung mas sweet pa, dagdagan nyo na lang ayon sa inyong panlasa. And then, let's put the chili flakes or fresh chili. Okay. And then, make halo-halo. Let's put the lemon. matamis na siya, maanghang, maalat. And let's put some salt to taste. Konti lang. And pepper. Ang dali lang itong lutuin. So, surprise your loved ones with this recipe. For sure, mapapamorize sila. Masarap. Okay, and then after that, we can put our unahin sa kahon. Then let's add small amount of water. Ayan, so paluto na yung tahong. Let's put the squid. And then, para medyo lumapot ang ating sabaw, lagyan natin ng cornstarch na tinunaw sa tubig. And then, last to put ay ang hipon. Okay, after 2 minutes, let's put the hipon. Malaki ng hipon, saka ano siya, fresh. Maganda yung nabili ko. 110 lang ang 1/4. Yummy. Malapot-lapot na yung sauce na dahil cornstarch na nilagay natin. Okay, lutuin lang natin ng 2 to 3 minutes. Ayan, paluto na guys. Let's put the cheese para cheesy. And then, nakinuha akong pintas akong basil leaves sa aming tiny garden. Okay? So, ganun lang kabilis ang ating sweet and spicy seafoods. Spicy nga siya, maanghang. Yummy! So, malapot-lapot ng kanyang sauce. Okay? So, it's done. Very quick and easy seafood recipes. Sweet and spicy seafood. Joyce version. So, let's put on the plate and it's eating time! So, ito na guys, ang ating sweet and spicy seafood. Yummy! Yan. Isang malaking tray. And then, yung sauce niya, lagay natin.
Wow, ang sarap!
Okay, so quick and easy seafood recipe, Joyce version, sweet and spicy seafood.
Channel!
So it's eating time. Happy tummy naman. Happy tummy na naman.
Oh!
Si Vince. Ang tummy ni Vince, happy na naman. Okay, so thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. We give you more cooking recipe and travel vlog, travel adventure with Galani Beans. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Bye for now. Keep blessed. It's eating time.
Mag, like, and subscribe ka na.